Hello guys! Meet our new baby Stella, Hyundai Stargazer GLS 2024 variant. Ngayon lang ito mapopost dahil naging busy din kami since makuha namin siya noong June 11. Anyway, sneak peek lang to ng loob at labas niya. We'll post full video review soon ng variant na to. Yung tech and safety features niya, specs, exterior, and interior views. We'll also provide pros and cons ng unit na to at syempre yung performance niya, like kung okay ba yung takbo niya at yung fuel consumption. We'll definitely provide honest review and updates about this unit. So far, since ilang beses na namin siyang nagamit, we can say na maganda at sulit din naman talaga. Nagustuhan namin to based sa mga reviews na napanood namin sa YouTube at Facebook, pero talagang na love at first sight kami nung nakita namin siya sa personal. So, yun lang muna for now. See you on our next video.